Hi guys, in this video we are looking at how to calculate simple interest. So we are continuing on our series on change of subject of a formula, simple interest and compound interest. Okay, so when solving questions on simple interest, there are two important formulas you must know. Okay, so two important formulas you must know when solving questions on simple interest. The first one is interest or simple interest. The formula is I is equal to P times R times T all over 100. In this situation, I represents the interest. Remember, interest is the money that is added to the sum that was borrowed or invested. Okay, so I is the interest, P is the principal, which is the money that is invested or the money that is borrowed. R is the rate, how often is money going to be added. T is the time, the duration of the business or the loan deal. Okay, so the second important formula is final amount, which is principal parenthesis 1 plus RT. These two terms are different. The interest is the money added. The final amount is the sum of the money that was borrowed and the interest. So when you go out to take a loan or you go into an investment, there is an amount that you put in as an investment. When you are getting back your money, you're going to get that amount back plus the interest. So that gives you the final amount. Okay, so don't confuse these two. Sometimes you might be told to find the interest. Sometimes you might be told to find the final amount. Okay, so now this example is going to help us see what we are talking about. So John got a $2,500 loan for 2 years at an interest rate of 15% per annum. So 15% every year. Per annum means every year. Now we're asked how much interest did he pay? That talks about the interest. The second question is calculate the total amount he paid back. That talks about the final amount, the total amount he's going to pay back. Okay, so he took $2,500 and then how much is he going to pay back totally? Okay, so let's solve. A. So we are told to calculate the interest, right? So the interest, I, or simple interest, is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T all over 100. So what are the values we were given? We are told that the P is equal to $2,000, $2,500. R, which is the rate, is 15%. T, how long did this loan deal last? 2 years. So 2 years. Okay, so we are going to replace these three values with what we have here. So this will give us 2,500 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 2 all over 100. So 2 zeros will cancel out 2 zeros. We have 25 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 2. So the interest after 2 years is going to be $750. Okay, so that's the interest after 2 years. The next question is calculate the total amount he paid. So let's calculate that. B. So now we are told to calculate the total amount. What we can use is this formula. So the formula is amount is equal to P parenthesis 1 plus RT. So remember, we know that our P is equal to 2,500, our R is 15, and our T is 2. So let's do that. So we have 2,500 parenthesis 1 plus. When you're writing R here, you're not going to write 15. 15% means 15 divided by 100. So 15 divided by 100 is the same thing as 0.15. So when you're writing R here, you're not going to write 15, you're going to write 0.15. The reason we have divided by 100 here is because of this 15, okay? So this 100 accounts for what we are doing here, okay? So we have 0.15, and our t is times 2. So we have 2,500 into 1 plus 0.3. So this will give us 2,500. 1 plus 0.3 will give us 1.3. So times 1.3. Using our calculator, 2,500 multiplied by 1.3 is going to give us $3,250. So $3,250 is the total amount that John is going to pay back. In order to confirm this, what we simply need to do is, remember the total amount to pay back is the money that was borrowed plus the interest. When you add it together, that becomes the total amount to be paid back. So to confirm this, we only need to do 2,500, which is the amount that was borrowed, plus 750 we got as the interest. So if you add them together, you're going to get 3,250. So that shows that this is correct. We have seen in this video that these two formulas are very important. When you are told to calculate interest, you're going to use this. If you are told to calculate final amount, total amount, you're going to use this. Very simple. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.